Hey friends, how you all doing? So today we're gonna talk about the CompTIA Security Plus certification from nothing to everything. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin with the exam details. As you can see, the exam code is SY0601. The number of questions you're gonna face is 90 and you have to score almost 750 or above. The mode of this examination is online and the validity is 3 years, and after that you have to renew it. Let's move to the course content. This examination covers 6 core domains: threat attacks and vulnerabilities, architecture and design, implementation, operations and incident response, governance, risks and compliances, identity and access management. Threats, attacks and vulnerabilities. This domain covers the basics of cybersecurity threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities. It includes topics such as malware, social engineering, and reconnaissance. Architecture and design. This domain focuses on the design and implementation of secure network architecture. It covers topics such as network design, wireless security, and cloud security. Implementation. This domain covers the implementation of security solutions. It includes topics such as secure network and system administration, secure software development and encryption. Operation and incident response. This domain covers the management of security incidents, including incident response and recovery. It includes topics such as disaster recovery, business continuity, and incident handling. Governance, risk, and compliance. This domain covers the management of security policies and compliances. It includes topics such as risk assessment, security policies, and regulatory compliances. Identity and access management. Authentication, authorization, and identity management are the topics of this domain. I'll give the detailed explanation of these topics in a PDF format in the description below. So let's talk about the cost of this certification. So the certification will cost you around 20,000 to 25,000 INR for a single take, and with one retake it will be 35,000 to 40,000 INR. You can purchase this examination voucher from their official website. Questions. So there will be two types of questions: MCQ based and performance based. Now, you might be thinking that from where you should study. So, I'll recommend Daryl Gibson's CompTIA Security Plus study guide and by googling stuffs. So, now I want to say that this certification is an essential certification for IT professionals looking to specialize in cybersecurity. If you are interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity, then CompTIA Security Plus is an excellent starting point. So, thank you. Have a great day.